Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Asus Zenfone 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. We are going to get this application from Asus Studio, so let's install. Let's open. Then we have to click right here, tap on this switcher, tap on this one also, click OK 2 times, go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard. Right now we are able to pick up one of this theme. I will go for RGB circle, click, tap to download the theme. Sorry for this ad, but we cannot turn it off, just go back I think. Oh, it's an annoying ad, but let's open this up one more time. Okay, let's open this theme another time. Okay, right now we can easily turn off sound from this ad and turn it off after a few seconds. Click to apply the theme, and as you can see how our theme looks right now. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!